I'm going to explain number 10 on the test prep 6, chapter 6. Alright, it says find the area of the shaded part. Okay, the shaded part is right here in the middle. It's not a triangle, so I can't use the 1/2 times base times height. I have to somehow figure out the area of this rectangle. If I can figure out the area of this rectangle, then I need to figure out the area of this triangle here and this triangle here. Because these two are triangles, I can use my 1/2 times base times height. Once I get the area for this triangle and this triangle, I can add those together and take that away from the area of the rectangle, and it will leave me with what's left in the middle, the shaded quadrangle, or the shaded part. Okay, so I can figure out 6, if this is my base, this would be my height. So 6 times 15 times 1/2. Well, I'm gonna do 1/2 times 6 times 15. 1/2 times 6 is 3 times 15 equals 45. So this right here is 45 inches squared. Now I'm coming over here. I know this side is 15 right here, so this side has to be 15 too. So now it's 1/2 times 8 times 15. I'm going to 1/2 my 8 to 4, so then it's just 4 times 15. And 15 times 4, I know to be 60 inches squared. Okay, so I have 60 inches squared over in this triangle. I have 45 inches squared in this triangle. I'm adding those together, and it gives me 105 inches squared. All I have to do now is I need to find the total area of the rectangle. And that formula is length times width. And so it's 20 times 15. I'm going to go 15 times 20. First ones are all 0, so then I add my 0. 2 times 5 is 10. And 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. So it's 300 inches squared. The area of the whole rectangle is that. The two triangles that I don't need is this. So I take my 300, I take away my 105, and it leaves me with 592. Not 2, this is a 2, that's 1. 195. So the area of the shaded part is 195 inches squared. And there is your answer. But to get that answer, I had to find this triangle, the rectangle, put the two triangles together, take that away from the big rectangle, and it leaves me with the shaded area. Lots of steps to get to that solution.